This is Jacob, and this is my bike check. In the front, my front rim is stolen revolver, blue. I got a Fit Faya. It's a 20 by 2.25 front and back. Then I got Eastern forks. They say Eastern right there. Then I got the Kink headset in purple. I got the Odyssey Classic stem. Eastern 1-year bars, 30s. I mean the 90s, but and then I got ODI long necks with ODI on this side and We the People on that side. And then my frame is Hoffman. And then it's stock. Then I got Eastern pedals with new Colony cranks. Got the Animal 22 tooth sprocket chainwheel with stock bottom brackets, if you can't see it. And then I got the Kink seat post clamp, Kink seat post, and then Sabroso seat. And then got the Odyssey chain, and then the Fit tire, and then Eastern bidirectional. You can hear it, pretty loud. And then, yeah, that's all.